What's up, y'all? It's Trejo's Auto Repair here. It's your boy Serge. We're replacing the condenser and the compressor on this old girl, on this 2018 Transit 250. Let's get it. Let's get it. This one popped off. There's a connector. Right here, you press this tab and boom. Lights are off. Just get that stupid out. Oh shit, come off. Ready. Pop all these two. Hey, fuck it. T20 works. Okay, there you go. Shit, bro. That thing is grabbing onto the little tape, bro. There it is. I think that should be it. Okay. An issue, but it actually turns out that he's got an AC leak. I took out the, I thought it was already empty, and once I took off that line, yeah, it was empty, but I saw a nice little gash right here on the side. Tested it out, and you can hear it leaking. I don't know what the fuck my mind was thinking right now. I got this. No way I'm not gonna get this bitch out, bro. I don't know who the fuck. Sat in this school, maybe. No pressure line, valves open, back onto my vacuum pump. Right now we're holding pressure still. We're about. Remember, I always try to hear for an audible click whenever you're plugging. We're pretty much done now. We came for a condenser and AC compressor replacement. Ended up being a big old gash in this AC line, so we had to replace this whole AC line, which was kind of a pain in the ass. Hit up Trejo's Auto Repairs for all your automotive needs. We'll get you done right.